Hey everybody, it's Heather and Perla. Perla, say hi. Hi everybody. We want to say thank you so much to all of our subscribers. We have had an uptick lately and we're super thankful, and we just want to say hi, welcome. This is our 90-day journey on how long will it take for us to monetize. Perla and I have a little slice of Texas, and we run errands, and we have all sorts of things we do every day, and so we just take you with us, and then we talk about the things that Heather has learned about a new YouTube channel. Today I learned about, so let's say you upload and you find that there's an audience retention issue with one of your videos, like for example, it drops off at a certain place, and so you're trying to decide, should I edit that video? And what I watched, I think it was a vidIQ, I can't remember now. The people that I watched had a really good perspective on, should I edit a video? And it was this: go ahead if you want to, and you can do that from the YouTube Studio app. You can do that in there. Now, what they were saying is that it's a little difficult sometimes because you might take out context, and so I thought that's an interesting way to look at it, right? If you're telling a story per se, you don't want to miss out on part of it. And yes, you can totally edit it, and it might increase your future views. Not the retention, but it might increase like your watch hours or whatever, because people would be staying on. Now, the other thing they were saying, and this is whenever I say like just hit record, this is kind of what I got from them, was how much time and energy do you want to put into doing all of that, or maybe just hitting record and uploading another video. Now, not everybody just hits record and uploads without editing like I do, so I guess it really just depends on what you're doing with your videos. If you're spending a lot of time editing already, your learning curve to edit, first off, won't be that big, but that might be something for you to think about. So that was my thought on the day, was if you really want to edit, I think that you need to give yourself permission to think about time versus the message that you want to get out there. So like, do-overs are okay. And I was thinking about that in life too. Do-overs are just, they're okay. Sometimes I have several people in my family, in my immediate family, that really have a perfection thing. And I think that if you can just remember that do-overs are okay, that you could really be nicer to yourself. So that is today's message in this video, is be nicer to yourself. You know that do-overs are okay, and that if you need to fix something in your world, in your life, in your content creation, in your videos, you fix them if you have the ability to fix them, and it's not going to take too long and make you crazy. So that's what I got from that interesting video, because I've seen a lot of my videos also have drops, but that's also kind of how I think how YouTube works. There's certain parts where we lose focus, and that's okay. All of it is okay, right, Perla? Okay, well, I'm gonna go run my errands. Perla and I are going to be jumping out, so I just want you to know that we love you so much. If today is the first time that you have heard my voice, or the last, just know that you are kind, you are loved, and you are supported. And if it rings true or if it doesn't, join my community, hit subscribe, or don't, but come back for sure. We'll have more content. We try to do every day. We try to bring tips, tricks, and life tips. So we love you. Bye.